Katie was sharing about closed captioning. I want to share another tool that you can do this with. This is right inside Adobe Express, which is free for all K-12. So these are some suggested quick actions. If I go here to view all, I'm going to click on caption a video, which for time's sake brings me here. I'm going to upload my video. It only takes a couple of seconds, but 2 minutes goes really fast. So I just have this video. Hi friends, I'm so excited to show you this accessibility tool. Check out how easy it is to caption a video with Adobe Express quick actions. So I just wanted to show, hi friends, I'm so excited that I did right before we started. You can see that it's really accurate. And if there's anything that I need to edit, I have the ability to edit right here. So I can just change this to say quick action, and then I can change punctuation. Also, there's lots of ways to customize what it looks like in here. And then the final thing is that if I'm done, I can download this, or I can open it up in the Adobe editor. And when I open it into the Adobe editor, I have further ways to add accessibility. I may want to add some images or different things in there, but it's such a quick and easy tool. I wanted to show you. There's also the ability to translate that video. It will translate the caption, but it won't translate my language. I will still be speaking English, but it will translate the words into Spanish, if that makes sense. So thank you so much. I think my timer was going off 1 second before yours, but I hope everyone got something from that.